Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to use the bandana to make a pillowcase. This is super easy for a beginner or for everyone that want to make a pillowcase in the easiest way and save a lot of money. And this is the 21 inches. I got this bandana from Hobby Lobby, but you can easily find them anywhere. You can find them at Walmart too for I think 99 cents or 97. I'm using this old pillow that we got this long time ago for outdoor, but we use it for inside because I like the material. So this pillow is 20 inches and the bandana I have is 21, so work out perfect. So I place the bandana on the fabric and then I cut out two, exactly the same size with it 21 inches square, and as you can see I cut two. So I'm gonna show you how to fold and sew for the first one, and the second one you're going to do it yourself. So I fold it in half. I go to the table so I can use the iron, and also my back's not hurting. So I fold it in half and I'm gonna iron on the fold. This is very easy, and for beginner, if you want to adjust the size, it's super simple. Any size you want, just follow my video and adjust the size too. So now you can see the line in the center, that's the half. The half near me, just leave it along the half. The other half you're gonna fold into 3 equal parts. So the first is you can eyeball it, you don't need to measure or anything. So iron this. And after you iron, you're gonna sew on the fold. And then after you sew on that fold, you fold it again to the center. And then you're going to iron it. My tutorial step by step so you never miss anything. And after you iron on this side, you're going to sew on that fold too. So do the second piece exactly the same. This is super easy and also save you so much money. You use a bandana, and also I love the design of the bandana. It's come on all different design. I think it's the one at Walmart. It's really simple. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it's more fancy, and the material is much better. It's 100% cotton. So it depends on how much you want to spend. So now after I sew both, I put the bandana and the two pieces together. Remember that fold, you're going to face up, and the right side facing down to the bandana side, right side facing up. So you're going to make sure that all the side of the bandana and the back fabric all line up evenly. Now place the other piece in the other side. Remember, right side facing down, same way, and the fold facing up. Make sure everything line up the same way you did to the first piece. So after you pin all around, you're going to sew all 4 sides. I just sat on my sofa the other day and I saw the bandana that in my living room. I bought the other day for some other project, but then I decided to make it a pillowcase. So my channel, the only channel that creates the pillowcase from the bandana. Just so you know, if you see other people doing the same thing on Facebook or on YouTube, please remind them this is my idea. I see a lot of people that after I upload the video, they have the same project showing on Facebook, and I have shared a channel with some of my channel member. It's so sad. So I just want to remind you that go to my second channel and listen to some relaxing music there, everyone, so I can get that second channel going. So that channel need more watch time hours and to meet the requirement, the YouTube requirement. The subscriber I already have enough. So if you don't watch, you just listen to relaxing music, and I'm sure that you're gonna like some of the music there. If you're driving, turn it on. If you sleep, turn it on. If you're cooking, cleaning, turn the music on. The link of my second channel is in my description box, and also the first comment of each video. So make sure you go in there, listen to some music, and give me some support on that channel. Also, my son has a very interesting channel too. If you have grandkids, have them watch it, very educational. So that's it, everyone. I sew all 4 sides, and as you can see, you can go around and trim the 4 corners. It's super easy. I'm not lying. A lot of people say you keep saying it's easy, but it's not. It's easy, everyone. I'm telling you. Do you want me to say it's super hard? Now go to the corners and take everything out. For this one, when you're inside out, you don't need to iron. Again, go to Hobby Lobby to get a bandana. It's 100% cotton. I think I got this for $1.99. So much better than the Walmart one. Now you can see the overlap, the open space. It's big, so the pillow, when you put it in there, it won't fall out. So this is it, and the opening space, and at the front, you don't need to iron it perfectly fine. Now you're going to put the pillow back in there to see if it fit. If not fit, I'm in trouble. I'm just kidding. But the pillow, the bandana have to be 1 inch bigger than the pillow, and you're fine. You put everything in there, the corners, go to corners, the whole pillow, and get all the corners, go to each corner of the case. I like this one. I showed my son when he came home. I said, "Did you see the pillow?" He looked at it. He's like, "Oh my goodness! You're gonna make more? I'm like, okay. I may have to go back and get the same one. I got this to make the top for my myself. Look at that. How beautiful. And look at the front. I love the blue and the white. So pretty and easy to make to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and thank you to all your support, your kindness, your like, share, and comment on each of my video. Thank you for the channel member. Your donation, your comment, it means a lot to me. Make sure you click on the like button when you're watching my video. It's right under the title of the video to support my channel, everyone. Love you. Take care. Stay safe.